The National Weather Service in Los Santos has issued a tornado warning for central Los Santos County in south-central San Andreas until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This tornado was located 9 miles west of downtown Los Santos, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. The tornado will be near downtown Los Santos by 6:35 p.m. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to a closest substantial shelter.